Alright guys, we just pulled in the Con Center. Gonna hit the Little Pigeon River today. We're gonna do a little trout fishing and some smallmouth fishing. We're gonna make about an 8-mile run all the way to the TGI Fridays. The river below me looks like it's running better than it was last year when we were here. Looks like it might be up a little higher. We're gonna get unloaded and get on this thing. So hit that like and subscribe and stay tuned. Alright guys, Boone down south here. We're gonna hit the Little Pigeon River today. Try to get some trout, try to get some smallmouth. Stay tuned, we'll show you what's going on, show you what we're catching them on. And check out the river today. It's about 41 degrees this morning. It's about 47 now. It's 9:30 roughly in the morning. So we're gonna do about an 8-hour run down the river here. So stay tuned. That's rolling. Everything we do and say will be held against you.
It will be. You're good. If you want to get in, I can push you off a little bit too.
I'll go down to where it's cool and then
Alright, you're off.
Alright. Thank you, man. Yep. Off to a great start. Oh, geez.
What you need me to do?
Oh, there's my rod right here. Oh, the current's getting me really, really strong. The rod is right there. If I can lift it up to you. Ah, geez. What a joke this is, huh? Ah! This is great video footage right here. All right, Jordan, coming at you, coming at you, coming at you. All right, now I got line out everywhere. Can you get it to me?
You got it?
I got it. All right, I got a major line out all over the place, but I gotta get turned around for these rapids hit. Or I'm not gonna be in good shape.
I don't know if we're gonna get stopped.
Huh? I don't want you to run me in the tree either. Okay. Woo! Oh, jeez. Gosh. You just go ahead and catch the fish, Jeremy, because I got problems I got to deal with now. I didn't figure that'd be much of an issue for you. I didn't think that'd be much of an issue for you.
I'll try.
You got one? Oh yeah. What'd you get him on? Natural color?
Yeah.
Put him in the box. Did you just lose him? Dude! What happened? What happened? Where's your net? You brought the net you're all proud about.
Yeah, it's laying on my kayak. That big one right there. Holy cow, kid.
Dude, don't lose him. Nice.
I'm gonna need my pliers.
I guess pliers. Nice one.
Held that crankbait.
There you go.
I knew it.
Oh, I got
it. This should be number 5. Here, let me open my cooler.
That's a nice one, man.
Man, yeah. Hell,
Dude, that's probably like 14 inches or so. So you just bouncing off the rocks?
just reeling it in. Yeah, it digs down. Ooh, he just about made it out.
Oh.
Yes, sir. I didn't even know he was on.
All right, finally got the first one on there.
All right, let's go.
So you feel good now?
Feel good.
I can catch fish now?
Yeah, you can catch them.
All right. You don't want to get pulled into those trees over there, man. What the heck, man? I gave you the warning.
Hey, grab my rod reel.
I can't see squat. What did you lose?
Man.
Watch your hook there, swing around the thing.
My expensive rod and reel.
Oh. Did you hear me holler back and say paddle over to the left and stay away from that? Could you hear me? I saw it try to suck me in.
You know?
You know, I need to go ahead and tie her up to the front of my boat right now. Oh, did you go all the way in? Your hat's dry.
Oh, my head didn't.
Oh my goodness, dude, you freezing?
No, I'm fine.
What happened exactly?
I just leaned and the current pushed. I was leaning with it.
And over you went, huh?
Over I went. Like it didn't.
How'd the water feel, Jeremy? Hey, what I'm thinking is we don't do that anymore. Hey, we still got trout. You saved the trout. So you lost one pole?
Yeah.
How did these end up staying?
I don't know.
Wow.
And that other one, it might catch up somewhere down there. You know?
Yeah, it might be hung up on a bridge or something.
Oh.
Hey, I think we're having an Andy day for sure now. I've already had one rod go in the water, get hung up, all twisted up, rat's nest, and you dumped in the kayak already, and we ain't been fishing an hour yet. What do you think?
I think we're having an Andy day for sure.
Man, this is in your honor, Andy. You okay? Oh, you found your rod?
Yeah, I went right over it and took off.
Dude, that's great. I thought you fell in again.
No.
Little pigeon.
Oh man!
What?
Jeremy's got a big fish on, it looks like.
Oh, y'all were fishing?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
And I'm getting skunked.
Oh man, where y'all at?
On the Little Pigeon River.
Y'all were up to Pigeon Forge?
Yeah, I told you we were coming up here.
Oh, okay. No, honestly, I don't remember.
Nice, dude. You want to get a picture of it?
Yeah.
Come on over here. Yeah, he got, dude, he already fell out of his kayak though.
He did?
Dude, we've already dedicated this trip to you, man. Yeah. I'm getting the camera. Okay, got it. Well, come closer, man. Come way closer. Let me zoom in a little bit. Oh yeah, nice. All right, nice one. All right, look, I'm gonna do just what you do. I'm gonna throw it over there. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna let's go down and sit.
I haven't caught any more.
What? No, you said there was more, dude. Don't be give me this change your story business. No, there can't be. You got another one?
Not a million.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at there. All right. That's two.
3.
Oh, three. Three smallies.
There's a lot more water than in last summer.
Oh yeah, a lot more. Definitely a lot more. Huh?
I guess I went back.
I'll probably come join you in a minute. After you catch one, of course. You just lost it?
Yeah.
What the heck?
I don't know.
You not setting the hook or what?
I don't think so. What's that next?
Was it a smallie?
Oh, there's a trout.
Oh,
Nice one.
dude. What happened here? Number 2. I think you can sell that kayak. You all right?
Yeah.
You lose anything that time? Your thumb? You ripped it or just bend it? Oh. You gonna have to quit fishing? Just point out the spots kind of thing? You have to just quit fishing, just point out the spots kind of thing? You know I gotta tell Andy that he fell out twice, right? Then you get your bona fide. And I'm your witness, man. I can help you with Katie why you need to do that.
What's that?
And I can help you because that's dangerous. I saw him, man. You know, you need a stable kayak for this kind of stuff because he could have hit a rock, you know, hit his head. You know, we can't have that going on, so we need to get him a better kayak. Wow. That was just me. There ain't? Oh, that was a wasted cast? Here you go. You got one? Fish on, fish on. What'd you get it on?
Mid. Oh, I love smallmouth.
Smallie, look at that thing. All right, you gonna get it in the boat this time? It's in the boat. He's got his finger on it, folks.
There it is. First one of the morning.
All right. Dude, I don't remember hitting a rock last time when it came off that thing. Do what? How you doing? You have any luck? Smallmouth? Hey, I just got one, that's all we got. Yeah, ours little. Or his was little, I mean. You gonna pull off right there?
Yeah.
You got that much in there?
Oh, my whole front went under the...
Dude, you need a new kayak. Fish on, baby. Black Fury. Oh, he's hooked in there good too. Come on, baby, come on. There we go. Nice fish there. Oh yeah, fish on! Fish on! Yeah, baby! There we go, a little bit, little guy, a little scrapper. All right. He's not as big as yours. By any means. I mean, yesterday, that big one. I mean, he's not that big, really, but he fought really good. I had my drag light. I mean, he's bigger than the dinks I was catching earlier. I knew there was a log laying there, and I threw it right by the log, and he just hammered it. Look at those legs. Oh, my goodness. They are fire red. Dude. And what did you call that?
A base tan.
Your base tan layer. Oh my word. Dude, that just looks painful.
You might should have went the other way.
We might shoulda. Yeah, maybe we should have gone the other way, Jeremy. All right, well, I guess we got to go over there to take out and walking around right here, huh? All right, we're going to portage this dam. Because Jeremy's too scared to go over in his kayak. Come on, what fun is that?
Let me know when you're ready.
We're looking ready. Is it good? Ah. You getting this on video? Okay. I didn't think it was gonna be that strong coming through here.
It's a little strong.
Yep. Hang on a minute, Jeremy. Man, that was a lot stronger than I expected it to be, man. Hey, what's that? Yeah, I didn't expect it to go like that, man. Sorry if I bumped, man. Hey, nice to meet you, man.
No problem, yeah.
Look, I got one last year we put on before we came down that stretch of the river.
Oh, yeah?
It's actually pretty fun, that stretch, and you know, trout and smallmouth back in that section.
Oh, yeah?
The further section is their trout in there.
Yeah.
The kayaks down and put it up there at a hotel, man. It was so damn shallow.
Yeah, we always put in the park of the con and then pull out of Fridays. Friday's got a real big parking area there because you can fish past Fridays, but then there's a dam a little bit, but it's calm and you can paddle back to Fridays.
Oh, okay.
Or that way. And,
I've never done it for that area.
that work, but it's, I mean, we've had some nice ones.
Yeah.
Especially good, man.
I caught one on an 8-inch bull shad.
Yeah, he caught, first off the bat, he caught a nice one.
Jeez.
He hammered that thing.
Jeez. Well, nice meeting you guys.
Yeah, you too. Good see it go out. I like a kayak. That's nice.
Oh, thank you, man. He does too now.
Yeah.
He's dumped his a couple times.
It's worth getting a good one, that's for sure.
Yeah.
No final festival. But you like getting wet.
All right, you guys take care. So they're really right at the base of...
Got one.
Dude, it hit that right off the bat, didn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, he's a nicer one, huh? Yeah, look at that, baby. Look at that. Don't lose him. Don't lose him. He nailed it right off the bat, like as soon as it hit.
As soon as I started reeling.
All right, I gotta switch back to my other thing again.
Smallmouth magic, baby. Smallmouth magic.
All right, what'd you catch it on now?
Smallmouth.
Look at that bronze back right there. Nice. Them glasses let you see that, didn't they?
Yeah, I can see him. And that's only the 7 fish I've seen today. I got, you know, I caught 7. So. That stuff needs to be in the video again. Stuff like that.
The fact that you caught 7, I've only caught 3.
No, the fact that I said I've seen 7 fish today and caught 7. So.
Yeah. It's good video footage right there. Now what do you put on your secret stuff?
I put my sunscreen.
Oh. Wait a minute, are you, oh!
What?
One just chased it right here to the boat and then saw the boat and turned around. He was a dandy too. I think you scared it away when you said sunscreen. Scaring my fish away now.
Everything's my fault.
It had nothing to do with the fact you saw my big old blue kayak 3 feet away. It had everything to do when you said sunscreen.
Look, I'm turning that way.
Oh my goodness, dude. Those things are painful, man. Well, you don't have your rudder down, dude. That's what's control your turn. If you use your rudder, that'll help you, see? That's what that's for. The little rudder is what guides the boat.
So are we getting out just past the bridge?
I think that's the plan. I could have sworn there were 2 bridges, man. But that hill over there tells me the French Broad's
Turns left, and right after it turns left is where it's, man.
Well, that hill over there is what I'm betting the French Broad is between us and that hill.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
I bet because I see tree. Yeah. Let's do it.
What's
Let's
that?
just stay on this kayaks and see where we come out.
I don't know. There might be some rapids that you can't handle on the French Broad with that kayak. You are looking at a future bona fide kayak owner right there.
Can't get that thumb up though. Hurts too
That
bad.
thumb is hurting since he fell out of the kayak yesterday. Because it's not near as stable as the bona fide. That's not a bad trail. I know this isn't the spot, dude, where we're at. It's right up here.
What's wrong with this spot? That's what I'm saying.
Well, that parking lot was pretty messed up, but I guess I can try to get in there with a trailer, I guess, right?
Or if you were at the gas station, we could just cross the road.
Huh?
Going up, yeah. Let's just go take a look first.
All right, all right.
And if it's not, then
Yeah, okay. I mean, it looks like an easy. I don't remember the pathway being so nice last year. Maybe it was overgrown.
it was because it was summertime.
All right, guys. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. So April 6th, 5th and 6th, we've been fishing at Little Pigeon River. The smallmouths, I don't think have really made the migration for spawning from based on what we've seen the last 2 days. We got some small ones in there, but one thing I just would want to say, because we kind of talked about this and pointed this out, but between the two of us, out of the smallmouths that we caught, he caught a couple trout, some nice sized trout, but you know, we get so focused on colors and bait and what we're going to use and what lure, and really if the fish are going to bite, they're going to bite if you put that lure in front of them. And it almost doesn't matter what it is, because between the two of us, we caught fish on 7 different lures, probably 5 different colors. Okay, it didn't matter. If you put a lure in front of them, they're going to eat it, is what it boiled down to. So just something to think about. Sometimes we get so caught up in the hype of it, but overall it was a good trip. I caught a few, and he caught a few more, and outfished me again like he seems to do. And he's got a sunburn to prove it. That's all I can tell you, folks. So we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Take care.